Hi, this is Cindy Zarske from Fullerton College with a quick video for how to use the CamScanner app on your phone to scan and submit your work in Canvas. If you're registered in one of my classes, then in your Canvas course, you should have written instructions for this posted on the Files tab in a folder called Scanner App Instructions, and you'll see CamScanner instructions. What I'm going to do in this video is walk through the steps live that are shown on that handout. On your phone, you'll need to go to the App Store and download the CamScanner app, which looks like this. And when you open it, you may get some ads and things like that. Just skip those, X out anything that comes up. You can just use the free version, just get rid of any ads or anything. So I have a lot of things in here already. You may not have that yet. But what you want to do a new document is the green camera button down at the bottom. So I'm going to click that button. And now I'm ready to scan a 3-page document. Now see how there's shadows on my paper? I can get rid of those by turning off any overhead lights in the room. If you turn that off, that gets rid of the shadows. So line it up on a dark background is recommended, and click the camera icon down at the bottom. So when I click here, notice I'm in single mode. There's another way to do this with batch mode. So I'm showing you one way to use it. There are other ways you may be able to experiment with, but here's a way that will work. So I'm in single mode. I'm clicking the camera icon down at the bottom. It takes a picture, and then you can see it comes up with this green rectangle that you can physically just touch screen and move those corners around. Or there are some options down at the bottom. You can do auto, where it tries to find the corners for you. If you like where it found it, great. Or you can, after auto, it'll pop up with all if you want to take the whole entire thing. That's kind of a lot of extra, so I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use auto, and I'm going to drag that one up a little because I'm not too sure about that corner. Once you're happy with it, click the green arrow at the bottom, and it will finish making a scan of that page. On the iPhone, automatically your default will be magic color, but if it is not selected, you need to move that. You can select other things, but you want magic color. Magic color is the option that works the best. Once you're happy with it, click the green check mark, and that finishes the first page. But I'm going to do a 3-page document, so I want to add more pages. So the instructions tell you here to tap this icon to add new pages. That's down at the bottom left of your screen. So I'm going to click that add, and now I'm going to move to the second page here, line it up with my dark background, and take a picture. Move the arrows, move the rectangle corners if you want. Once you're happy with it, green arrow. And when you're happy with that, magic color, green check mark. I'm going to add one more page for a 3-page document. So click add at the bottom, dark background, camera icon, move the rectangles. That one came out a little big, so I'm going to move them down here, green arrow, and green check mark. That's all the pages I want for my document. So now what I need to do is get this as a PDF into my Canvas account. So the next thing I want to do is either share or email. I'm going to show the email option. You can share if you'd like, and if you do that, if you click share, you may find a better way to do this. You might find your Canvas app up here. You can experiment with that. I haven't been able to successfully do it because of my teacher view, but you can give that a try. I'm going to show you an email way that should work for everyone. So I'm going to email it. Now I'm going to email it as a PDF. So click PDF. And now I'm ready to send my document here. So I'm going to send it. And I'm going to send it to myself, but you're going to send it to yourself. So I'm typing in my email address, but you don't do this. You don't type in my email address, you type in your email address. So type in your email address and then go ahead and send it to yourself. So I sent my document to my own email address. So here's where I am now. I'm in my email, and now I'm going to go get that document. So I'm going to open up my email. You'll see a document there, and you're going to need to download it. So you downloaded it. That means on your computer, if you go to your file, go to your file folder and go to downloads, you're going to see at the very top the document that you just downloaded because it's the latest thing you downloaded. So right here, that's where you're going to find it on your computer. Now, here's what I need to do next. After I downloaded it, now I need to go into my Canvas account. So here I have the student view of one of my Canvas courses, and what I want to do is submit an assignment. So I'm going to go to the Assignments tab, and I'm going to find the assignment that I want to submit. So let's say I want to submit Packet 6. So what I'm pretending is that the document I scanned is my Packet 6 that I'm now going to upload. So I want to submit the assignment. I click the Submit Assignment button, and now I'm going to choose my file. So I need to choose my file. And what I need to find is the document that I uploaded. So where is it? Remember, it's in the download folder. So go to your download folder. You'll find it at the very top if you do it right away. You'll click Open. And once you see it there, you're going to submit your assignment. For your last step, you'll need to take a look and make sure, this is what I recommend anyway, take a look and make sure that what you uploaded is what you think you uploaded. So I'd recommend that you now, on that same page, download the document that you just opened. It's going to come up down at the bottom of your screen here. Open the file, and then let's see what I've got. So what I should have is the 3-page document that I scanned. I want to make sure all the pages are there and that it's clear and it looks good. So looks like I'm done. I've got my assignment submitted. So thanks for watching the video of how to use CamScanner to submit your assignments in